You know what's harder than designing a product? Marketing it. Let's say you have a product and want to sell. For example, fancy water bottle. After months of designing and prototyping, finally your manufacturer sends over the physical samples of your final product. So all that's left to do is market this thing and convince people actually to buy it. But the problem is that after spending too much on prototyping and planning, you now have very little left to create marketing and web assets to promote your product. That's why today I'll show you how to turn your physical product into 360-degree product video to start promoting it. So I'm Haik, let's get into today's tutorial. Picsart Flow lets you take a single product photo and create an unlimited amount of marketing assets such as editorial imagery, ads, and even 360 product videos. You can turn any idea into a reality with Picsart Flow. First, I want to start by creating simple editorial product images for a fashion-forward and design-savvy audience. So grab a piece of paper and a pen because you'll need to take some notes from today's tutorial. I'm going to upload a photo of the bottle design. Then I'll connect it to the new blank image node. Let's go ahead and type in a simple prompt to create a cool editorial image using the bottle. In this prompt box, I'm going to write this prompt. Feel free to pause the video at this point if you would like to review the prompt. From the AI models, I'll choose Nano Banana Pro. The size should be 3x4 and the quality 4K. Let's click on the pink Run button and wait for the results. Give Flow a moment to create some magic. It looks nice and very natural. And the best part is that it doesn't look like some AI slop that you'll come across on the internet. This photo is perfect for the product page, showing a fashionable and editorial take on the product. Now I'm going to upload a few color variations of the bottle design and create an ad for each variation. So create a new connected image node from the orange bottle. For this, I'll create a photo shoot with warm colors with the bottle at the center. I'll type in this prompt, adjust my settings and click run. Actually, it turned out much better than I expected. Now for the red bottle. I'm going for a resort collection image showing a bit of skin near the beach. So create a new connected image node. Type in a detailed prompt, adjust your settings and hit run. Great! We now have 3 editorial images generated in minutes featuring our fancy water bottles. The fun part begins now. Let's create 360 video so our audience can get an idea of how the bottles feel in real life. I'm taking the blue bottle as an example. So let's duplicate it and paste it to the side. Go ahead and create a connected image node and write something very simple like this. Again, we will use Nano Banana Pro and stick to 4K. In a second connected node, I'm going to type this. Product shot. Have an elegant black feminine hand with silver chrome nail hold the bottle in her one hand on a slight diagonal. Have the bottle be filled up halfway with sparkling water. After choosing the right AI model that fits the best for you, which in my case is Nano Banana Pro, I'll go ahead and run these 2 images. Both of them turned out great. I did this so the 2 images will be used together as frames in the video. I'm creating a new video node next to them. Then connect the 2 images to it. There are tons of options for video generation here, but I'll stick to Veo 3.1. It will use the 2 images as the first and last frames of the video. I'm writing a prompt that describes a 360 video with a hand at the end grabbing the bottle. So I'll open the prompt box and type this. At the beginning, we see the bottle in frame floating in the center, slowly rotating 360 degrees. As it resolves, the hand comes in and grabs the bottle and takes the bottle away from the frame. I'm very happy with this prompt. Don't forget to select the quality and duration to your liking and then let it run and wait for the magic. It's ready, let's watch it together. This turned out fantastic, I really like it. It really shows the bottle at all angles and how tactile and fancy it is. With the hand coming in, the customers can get the idea of how it would fit in their own hands. Now I have these cool marketing assets which I can resize in Picsart Flow and share on all my social channels like Instagram, stories, posts, Facebook and website. And as a reminder, we just started all this with a simple image of the product. By the way, I made a website page and added all the assets. Let's check it out together. It looks pretty amazing, right? The images really sell the bottle, and having that 360 video here helps show off the construction and the tactility of the product. Comment down below if you would put this in your shopping cart. Don't forget to experiment on your own, have fun and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have an amazing day!